Hi everyone! Welcome to our two-story house and lot tour here in Mirror Valley inside the Havilah Township, Antipolo City. Let's start! Okay. There's a lot area of 112 square meters minimum cat and the floor area is 92 square meters. So, in the front, meron 2 car carports. Ang kaya siya dito, dalawang SUV actually. So, on my left side, here, one of the highlights of this property is meron siyang malaking garden here. Okay? There's also a veranda here. Yan. And at the back, tara, there's a service area here. Okay? Yan. Meron ding maid's room or auxiliary room. Pwede ditong magstay ang mga kasama natin sa bahay, or you can put all the things na hindi nyo naman ginagamit every day. So, let's go inside. So, para makita pa natin yung ibang magaganda dito sa two-story na to. Okay? This is the porch. Yan. So, let's come here. So, this is the living area. Makikita natin, spacious siya. Yan. So, can you band your family watching the TV and the dining area here. Wow. What I like about this property is meron siyang veranda, yung sinabi ko sa inyo, dun sa side. And there's a sliding door and you'll able to see what's outside. Diba? Habang kumakain kayo, ito yung view ninyo. This one is the kitchen. Ito yung kitchen natin. The countertop is granite finish. There's a hanging modular kitchen here. There's a cabinet also here. Yan. And the toilet and bath here. Meron dito sa baba. Sorry. Meron dito sa baba. Okay, we go upstairs. Alright? Kung mapapansin nyo, high ceiling siya. So, napakaganda niya. So, you can put chandelier kagaya nung ginawa dito. So, we'll go to the bedroom 2. Okay. This one is the bedroom 2. Yan. Yan. So, ang ganda rin ng bedroom 2, yung ginawa nung interior designer. So, kung gusto niyo yung ganito. And also, there's a window. Siyempre, mayroong air ventilation. Okay. This is the hallway. Yan. You can walk around. Yan. And the bedroom 1. Yan. Kung makikita nyo, ginawa ng interior dito is they put 2 beds here. So, yan. Diba? Ganda niya. So, there is also a toilet and bath. So, 2 rooms para mag-share. Yan. And what I really like about this property is the master bedroom. Bakit kaya? Actually, yan. This one. Yan. Tara. Napakaganda at napakalawak ng master bedroom. Yan. And this one. The walk-in closet. Ito. Yan. Diba? Ang laki ng space niya. Walk-in closet talaga. Yan. So, you can put all your clothes here. And there's also a toilet bath here. Yan. Yan. And, hindi lang yan. Meron din siyang balcony. And the view, wow. The view is the mountains. Yan. Sobrang relaxing, diba? So, you can have your coffee here. Yan. Sobrang relaxing. There's also a window here. Yan. Yan. Napakaganda ng property na to. Yan. This one. Okay. For increase in site viewing, please see the details below. Thank you.